Hi everyone, my name is Aksh Joshi, and I'm here to talk about a problem that most of you probably know about, and it's that billions of trees are getting cut down every year. That's one football field of forest every second. But why does this happen? Well, I'd let you think about it. Why do you think trees are getting cut down? Well, you might have thought of stuff like houses or paper, but let's put that into perspective. One tree, on average, provides enough resources for around 62 books, and my school's library has a total of 52,000 books. So if we do the math, that's about 839 trees needed just to make the books in my school's library. But of course, trees are used for many more products, and one of the reasons for that is palm oil. You see, palm oil is farmed by people cutting down normal forests and replacing them with palm tree forests. They then get the oil from the palm trees. That's why it's called palm oil. And palm oil is used in a variety of different products, from soap to chocolate. And to put it simply, I could probably walk into a grocery store and at least a third of the products there would have palm oil in them. But of course, we need these products in our everyday lives. Like I use soap every day to clean myself. So of course, we need them to some extent. But we also need trees. Trees do many things for the environment, and one of the main things that they do is that they suck up carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Carbon dioxide is harmful to the ozone layer, making it good that they suck it in. And oxygen is the main part of the air that we breathe in, making it good that they release it. Another thing that trees do for the environment is that they're homes to thousands of different species of animals, from birds who make their nests in them to monkeys who climb up them to get away from predators. All of these animals are important to the ecosystems of forests and jungles. And to explain what I mean by that, if I killed all of the birds in an area, then the animals who eat those birds would starve because there wouldn't be enough food. You see, each animal affects the animals around it in different ways, and by killing out one species, we're affecting the entire jungle. So of course, this is a problem, but what can we do to solve this problem? Well, one idea might be to plant trees in replacement for the ones that are cut down. And we can do this with a simple app called Ecosha. I found out about Ecosha when I was looking through Reddit, and I found a meme that looked something like this. This meme inspired me to look into the issue of deforestation and actually led to me making the TED Talk. But let's get back on track. Ecosha is a search engine that plants trees using the money generated from the ads in your searches. And as of October 2020, they've planted over 110 million trees, which is quite a lot. But is it actually a good search engine, though? Well, to answer that, I can say that it works well. I can favorite certain websites, and the searches don't take too long to load. But of course, I believe that there's still room for improvement, since it's missing out on a lot of features that other search engines, like Google or Safari, have. But I believe that if they get more popular, then they can improve their search engine and also plant more trees in the process. But how can we trust that they're actually planting the trees with the money that they get? Well, luckily for us, they have their financial records completely open for us to see on their website. And to sum it up, they spend a total of 80% of their profits on doing the tree planting, and then the remaining 20% goes to funding their staff and keeping their servers running. So of course you can use Ecosha, but there's also some other things that you can do to help the environment. One thing that you can do is check the labels on what you're buying and avoid stuff with palm oil, since as we discussed earlier, that requires trees to make. Another thing that you can do is plant trees in your own garden. Of course they might die during winter, at least you tried. And if they don't die, then you can get fruit from them, like apples. To add on, you can also use more online documents instead of always printing stuff out, since printing requires paper, and paper needs trees to make. And finally, you can donate to charities such as Amazon Watch or RAN, where you can help the environment even more. And to end off this TED Talk, I've created a meme of my own. Have a look. Thank you for watching.